So today, I want to share with you a super fun and very easy oatmeal recipe. If you thought oatmeal was boring, you're wrong, because we're about to zhuzh it up and take it to another level. And best of all, we're gonna do it using fall ingredients. I'm talking pumpkin spice, actual pumpkin. I'm gonna incorporate a little bit of coconut in there just for some nutty flavor. You guys seriously are going to love this. So let me show you what you need to get started. So of course you're gonna need oatmeal. I always use the kind from Bob's Red Mill. This is the gluten-free quick cooking oats. Love that. You're also gonna need a can or a container, like I have here, of pumpkin puree. You're gonna need a little bit of coconut oil. If you like bananas, go ahead and grab a banana. And then just for fun, let's add some chia seeds to this, shall we? So the first thing you'll need, of course, is something to cook your oatmeal in. So I've just got this little pot here. You'll need 1 cup of oats and 2 cups of water. Okay, so now that it's had a chance to thicken up, and I love it nice and thick, we're gonna add the other ingredients, starting with the pumpkin. I'm just gonna add about 1 tablespoon of this pumpkin puree because you don't want it to be too overpowering. Again, same thing, just 1 tablespoon. You don't want too much of this in there. And it doesn't have to be melted because it's gonna melt anyway. Last but not least, let's add some spice. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of some pumpkin pie spice. I don't measure it, I just use my hands because it's just easier. A little sprinkle of cinnamon, and now we're just gonna give it a good stir. Now you're just gonna wanna spoon it into your favorite breakfast bowl. I've had these plates for years. And like I said, if you are a fan of bananas, go ahead and put some of these on top. Whoops. So good. And this is totally optional, but I do like to sprinkle some chia seeds on top just to give my oatmeal some extra nutrients like omega, some protein, some calcium, and they're fun. They're kind of crunchy and it gives your oatmeal a little more interest. I like to top it with some honey. I always love the honey from Weatherspoon. I've used their honey for years. Their Manuka honey is so freaking good. I can't even tell you. So yeah, just like a tablespoon of honey on top and voila. You guys are gonna love this, especially if you're a big fan of all things pumpkin spice. It's like comfort food, first thing in the morning. So before we go, I want to say thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't already, please do so. I would love to have you join our community. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. And speaking of videos, I have a lot of great content coming up, especially some videos with fabulous giveaways because we are celebrating 10 years of authentic self-wellness. I can't even believe that it's been 10 years. So to celebrate, I've got a lot of great giveaways for you guys. So stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.